This wing here can save your life, of course, if it's calibrated. Usually, after a battery change or if the battery dies, the wing system can fall out of sync. If you deploy too early or too late, it messes with your high-speed braking. We're going to use McLaren software by Diagcode to calibrate the wing exactly to the spec with just a few clicks. We connected Diagcode to the car via OBD, and then we have to click on Air Brake Calibration. We just have to press OK and just continue the procedure. Obviously click Start. The process just takes a couple of minutes. This is how important it is to have McLaren software by Diagcode. Operation is successful and the wing is calibrated.